Should I learn to speak Thai? 13 good reasons to start learning Thai. If you have a Thai girlfriend or wife and live in Thailand, you may have asked yourself, should I learn to speak Thai? The majority of foreigners who have a Thai girlfriend learn only enough to say hello, say their name, and order a beer and some food. The Thai partner may not speak much English, so getting to know each other can be hard. If you want a long-term relationship, or to enjoy your trip more, it is worth trying to learn the Thai language. If you plan on living in another country, plan on having a girlfriend from that country, and plan on being accepted by the people of that country, surely it is important that you try and learn the language to at least a basic level of understanding? If you are moving out into the more rural areas of Thailand, and away from the tourist areas, you will find that far fewer people will speak English. A lot of foreigners and expats come up with excuses to not learn Thai, such as, it's all too hard, and Thai people speak too fast, or all my friends are foreigners. However, there are a lot of good reasons to learn to speak Thai. 13 good reasons why you should learn to speak Thai. 1. Integrate with Thai people and their culture. Learning Thai helps you better understand the Thai culture, and get valuable insights to life in Thailand. The more Thai you learn, the more you will understand Thai people, and the easier you will find it to integrate into the local community. If you don't learn Thai, you will always feel isolated, even if you live there for years. Whether you are good with languages or not, the good thing is Thai people appreciate any effort you take in learning their language, and will always take some time to help you learn new words or sentences. Thai nationals will have much more respect for you if you speak to them in Thai, and they will appreciate the fact that you have taken the time and effort to learn their language. 2. Communicate properly with your Thai partner. If you can speak Thai, you can have totally natural conversations with your wife or girlfriend about any subject. I think it is important in a Thai-foreigner relationship for both parties to try and learn each other's language. Miscommunication can often cause arguments, can be the cause of offense, and can sadly be the cause of relationships breaking down and breaking up. Taking the time and making the effort to learn the language can save a lot of stress and unhappiness. 3. Make your daily life easier. If you can learn to read Thai, you will be able to read traffic signs, and if you can speak some Thai, you can ask for directions if you get lost. You will also be able to read menus in restaurants, so you can order what you like, and ask for it the way you like it. You will be able to read the price of things, the ingredients in it, and the quantities it is sold in. You will also be able to read which is the male or female toilet, so you do not get in any embarrassing situations. 4. Make friends with Thai people as well as other foreigners. Many Thai people would like to know more about foreigners, and be able to speak to them more. Many Thai people speak basic English, but some also speak it very well. Showing an interest in their language is a great way to establish a friendship. Trying the "you teach me Thai and I will teach you English" approach is a common ground for friendships to develop. Wouldn't it be great if your choice of Thai friends were not limited to those who could speak your native language? 5. Increase your chance of getting a real job. Learning to speak Thai will be a massive advantage in any profession because it means you can be called upon to speak with other staff or clients who speak little English. As a company employee, you will be able to join in conversations between Thai staff. 6. Helps you stop thinking, are they talking about me? Many foreigners are convinced Thai people are constantly talking about them in their presence. Hearing the word "farang" in the conversation all the time can be a bit disconcerting. Would you like to know what is being said? If you can speak Thai, you can relax knowing that no one can gossip about you. 7. Important in an emergency situation. One of the best reasons to learn Thai must be the life-saving potential it offers in an emergency situation. 8. Bargaining is easier. You'll improve your chances of getting a better deal at the markets, in a tuk-tuk, or anywhere where the price is not displayed. People will assume you know the price of things, unlike tourists. 9. Fewer problems with scammers. When approached by people trying to scam you, e.g. the Grand Palace is closed scam, they are likely to quickly move on if you answer them in Thai, and go and look for an easier target such as a tourist. 10. It will be easier to find a nice Thai girlfriend. Normal Thai girls who do not work in the tourist industry are shy and most speak little or no English. To make things easier from the beginning, if you want to meet one, it helps if you can talk to a girl in Thai. 11. Helps stop the boredom. Learning Thai could be a great little project to keep you busy in retirement or on rainy days. 12. Get more dates on online dating sites. If you know how to write your profile in Thai, you will receive more messages. You can then chat with them in Thai, making it easier to arrange dates, as the girls will assume you are not just a tourist who is looking for a quick adventure. 13. Get proper answers to your questions. You run into so many situations with Thai people, and they either don't understand what you mean, or just misunderstand you. I hope that's more than enough good reasons to start learning Thai. I had tried for a few years to learn how to speak, read and write Thai. At my age, 59, the memory just wouldn't retain the words, tones or the unfamiliar lettering. Then I discovered online learning, more on that later. Okay, what are my options? 1. Go to classes. Over time this is an expensive option, and people in the class might be at different stages of learning, and you can get left behind. No money-back guarantee. 2. Skype lessons. Expensive, and it is hard to concentrate for 30 minutes or an hour, and you don't learn to read Thai. No money-back guarantee. 3. Books, preferred by some older people. Good as a reference source. With books you do not know if you are reading or saying the words correctly, and there is no feedback. No money-back guarantee. 4. Online interactive courses. Much faster to read and speak Thai. Free trials, and money-back guarantee on some courses. This is a cheaper long-term option, as you can learn at your own pace, and can go back to material for a refresher if required. Many people prefer visual learning, and steady progress will be achieved. An online language course had me reading Thai in a very short period of time. It might not work for everybody, but it works for me. My top recommendations based on my own experiences of lessons, books, and online courses are: 1. Rapid Thai online course. 2. Learn Thai from a White Guy online course. 3. The best-selling Learn Thai book. For more information on these products, please see the links in the description below this video. I hope this video provokes a response in the comments section, as I would love to know what works for you.